Hey folks, welcome back on board Potemkin. I just popped up to have a check on this boat, make sure everything's alright for the next couple of weeks or more. I don't know how long it'll be because I've just been to the hospital and for the sign the consent forms for tomorrow. I get a new knee, or a compartmental new knee, half a new knee, the side that's badly worn out. It's my leg here, that side. And if you've seen me working, I've often got a leg brace on because it's been painful now and it's getting worse and worse. Bone on bone rubbing, keeps snagging when you walk and that, so I've got to get it done. If it's okay, it's half a new knee when he starts this operation. If the other side's bad, it'll be a new one, which I don't want because that's a lot longer recovery, and I wouldn't be looking forward to that. So unfortunately I won't be doing any work on these boats for some time. But if it's half a knee, I'm hoping it might be a month and a half or something, so I'm sort of getting back there. But I have got some stuff to upload and over the last year or so I've not uploaded it, so I'll do some of that and put some of that up there. And I may be doing a bit of work at home once I'm okay and I can sit down and do something like that, or sit at a workbench like at home and do it. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen, and I'm just hoping it's a quick recovery and I'll be happy that I've got a new well, half a new knee, and it's functioning as it should do, as near as it can do anyway. You know, it's never going to be exactly like a new knee, is it, because it's a false one. But anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what's happening, and I do thank you all for leaving comments and watching and what have you over the last couple of years. But I will be back. I've got this boat to get finished. I was hoping to be further on with this year, so I could have moved on to it, but in reality now it's not going to be. It's going to be spring, something like that next year, or even summer, I don't know. No point trying to put time scale on things when you don't really know how long you're going to be off. The other boat, the little one that we built, that's virtually ready to pull out the workshop now and drop in the water. We have had it running. All the systems are in. I've just not had a chance to film anything, so there's no problems with that. It's all working, everything's working. The heater, the eberspackers are working, the water pumps, the shower, everything like that. We're all hunky-dory with that. The new big one, that's being carried on with. The stuff's being made for that. David's working away making items for in that boat, and you know, window liners and beds and cupboards and you know, everything like that. It's all being fitted out. So because next year we want that on the water, hopefully for springtime. Then there'll be two higher boats on the water, the big one and the little one. So anyway, that's it. Just thought to let you know, and I will be back with some updates and what have you. So anyway, that's it for today. We're going home to have a rest and get up in the morning, go to the hospital. So see you all later. Ta-ra.